Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to find the safe jobs on Upwork. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to find the safe jobs on Upwork. It is because you saved a lot of jobs and now you couldn't find any one of these and you want to apply any one of these, or maybe you want to share it with some other people, or it could be any other reason for you to know how to find safe jobs on Upwork. So in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Upwork app, and if you have not installed it, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. So this is the icon of the Upwork app. Simply tap on it to open the Upwork. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have options all over the screen. Right now we are in the job section where you could see that we have a lot of different jobs all over the screen. So from all these jobs, what we have to find is that the jobs that we have saved. So first, what we have to do to find the saved jobs, you have to make sure that you have already saved a job through clicking on this icon, this heart icon. On this page, when you save a job by just clicking on the heart and then it gets green, that means the job has been saved. But what happens when we refresh the page, the jobs gets disappear and then we couldn't find them again. So to find all these jobs that are saved, what we have to do is we have to click on the green heart, which is on the top right side of the screen, which is along this search bar icon, this one. You can see that this search bar, along with that we have this green heart. If you tap on it, you will find all the saved jobs that you have saved. So once I save this job, I'm clicking on this green heart, and there we will see the jobs that we have saved will appear here. So all these jobs are the jobs that we saved over the time. So once you save the job, it gets onto that page, and from this option you can easily access to them. You just have to simply get on the top of the page, and then you will see this search bar. Along with this search bar, you will see this green heart. Once you click on it, you will find all the saved jobs. So now what you can do is that the reason why you have saved this job, now you can perform that task. Either you can apply to them, or maybe you can send it to someone else, or can do whatever you want to do with that jobs. This was the easiest way I know through which you can find all the safe jobs on Upwork. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.